Adding sound effects is a great way to enhance your movie. To add a sound effect, open the Music and Sound Effects browser. The browser includes hundreds of sound effects categorized as iMovie 08 sound effects and iLife sound effects. Select a sound effect, then press the spacebar to preview it. Press the spacebar again to stop. Then drag the clip over a specific video clip until you find the frame at which you want the sound effect to begin playing, and release the mouse. A green marker appears indicating the location of the sound effect. Double-click the film strip just before the sound effect to listen. If you need to move the start of the sound effect, just drag its icon to the new position. To adjust its length, drag the right edge. To adjust the volume of the sound effect, click once on the green clip to select it, and then click the Adjust Audio button. Then adjust the volume level. To fade the sound in or out, drag the corresponding manual slider to the desired fade duration. When you next preview your project, your sound effect will play back with the fade included.